We'll guide you through how to unblock someone on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So for whatever reason you want to go and unblock someone, perhaps you've gone and forgiven them, or they've gone and talked to you in real life and gone and apologized. So you want to go and give them another chance. We're going to guide you through this. And a part of this process, we're actually going to be able to go and see a list of everyone you've gone and blocked. And you can then choose who you want to go and unblock them. It's a quick and efficient way. Just remember, when they're unblocked, they're then going to be able to go and start accessing your account again. And depending upon your privacy settings, they'll be able to go and start liking, commenting on your posts. And as well as that, they can go and add you as a friend potentially. But remember, you can always go and block them again in the future. It's important to know when you go and unblock somebody, you do have to wait 48 hours before blocking them again. So do consider that. But to go and get started with this, you need to go and head to the profile in the bottom right, the button. In some cases, it will be the top right. Also, this did used to be known as the menu button. Now, once you're on your profile, then what you need to do is press the three lines in the top left to go and open up the side menu here like so. And then what you want to do is you need to go and scroll down until you find the option or section for settings and privacy. Tap on it to expand it, and we'll then go and see the different options here. And what you want to do is go and click on settings like so. Now that you're in here, you need to go and scroll down, and we're looking for a specific option. So scroll down and you want to go and find the option for blocking, as you can see. Alternatively, if you can't go and find it, you can use a search in the top right, but you should be able to go and find it in the audience and visibility section here. So then what you can do is you can go into blocking like so, and you'll go and see a list of the different people you've gone and blocked. So it says here, when you block someone, this person can no longer see things you've posted on your timeline, tag you, invite you to groups, and other things as well. So you can go and find the person you want to unblock, or just browse through the list and press unblock to the right. And it says when you unblock them, they may be able to go and see your timeline or contact you depending upon your settings. You're going to have to wait 48 hours if you want to go and block them again. If you're sure, confirm your decision there. And that's it, they're now unblocked. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.